careful. Some scrapyard cars coming down. And this is just the beginning. Being 4 minutes is bad. Try watching the little video. I dare you. Alright, here comes the end of the box cars, and here's some tankers. It's a big one. And here's the scrap cars. Only 2 of them. But actually, no. There's in the middle of these 2 tankers. Some more tankers! Some more scrap cars. As far as I can see, at least my eye. Or maybe not. 1 tanker, 2 tankers, 3 tankers. Farther down there's more scraps though. Those were in the turn so I couldn't see them. Oh, I see the end, sadly. Yep, and these black cars right here, it's all scraped up and like destroyed cars. They take them over to a factory and reuse them, I guess. That's what they do. I don't know, but all I care about is the train ride. The last car, right as the dart train comes. Dart train. There goes the freight.